Hello everybody. I might have beat this one up in the past, but I'm going to go over how frugal it is to make your own subs at home. I make Dave subs when I'm making something for dinner that he doesn't eat, and excuse the junk over there, I'm going to be making dinner next. If you go to Walmart, they seem to be the cheapest around here. I don't know about where you live. You buy their fresh baked bread. So I look for deals, and all summer a fresh loaf of French or Italian bread was $1. It's now $1.47. But you still get this humongous loaf of bread that's freshly, it smells great, it's fresh, and let me put you down a little so you can see the food, including the mess. Subs and grinders or heroes or hoagies, whatever they are where you are, can be very expensive. Especially since the cost of food went up, all the restaurants charge a lot. And what I do with this one is I'll show you what I do with this one. If I were making it for me, it would have mayonnaise, cheese, and lettuce, tomato, onions, all of the works. But my husband likes very simple food, and what we do with these is usually you toast them up. In the summer, he eats them cold on the boat or down by the lake. But when I'm done with this today, he will heat his up little pieces. We cut this in 4, so it makes 4 lunches for him. And I just cut the top from the bottom. I'm going to work with the bottom right now. And I have here a low sodium roast beef, and it's £1. No, not £1. It is, I think it's ½ pound. It's not even ½ pound, it's 7 ounces. So I put this whole thing on this loaf of bread. That costs roughly $4, so we're up to $5.50. I always have lettuce and onions and Italian dressing in the house. So for $5.50, Dave gets 4 sandwiches or 4 subs, however you want to look at it. If I were to go buy, well, they don't sell one this size. They sell larges that are half this size, and they're usually $11.99, $12.99. Of course, they're better than mine, but if you're going for economical, you can make these with ham, turkey, Swiss, whatever's on sale at the deli that week. I'm going to move this right out of the way this way. Well, you can't see that now either. So what I'm doing next is boring. I'm going to take my other knife and just shred the lettuce as if you were in a sub shop. I've had my years of working in restaurants, so I kind of know how restaurants roll. I shred the lettuce just like you were in a sub shop, and I'm going to put some fresh sliced onion on it. I'm going to cut this right in half. I'll show you. So now I'm working with 2 halves. It just makes it easier. I put it in a container so that when I put this lettuce on top, there's no way to show you. There we go. Maybe. I'm trying to get you in the food instead of seeing me. Let's talk about my aprons. Everybody wants to know why I switched the aprons. Believe it or not, when I go to upload my videos, the apron tells me which video is which. So don't think I'm just trying to be styling. You could hear I already made a smoothie today. I'm not feeling that great. So what I'm throwing together is simple, and I am in my pajamas. These are pajamas. So I am not dressed up. The aprons are not for styling. I do love my holiday festive aprons, or whatever season it is. But I switch them up because that tells me to upload this video, that video, or that video. I know it doesn't make sense to anybody but me. It's just my jam. I'm into this. With the cups and the seasons and the decorations, I just love it. So follow along with me, and if you don't like me, don't follow along. I don't know what to say. I took a little vote on Facebook about the cookies. So I tried to do a health and wellness page, and you guys all, not one person said no to the cookies. So in Thanksgiving, I felt bad doing all my pies because only 2 of them I think were a healthier version, and the rest were just high calorie, beautiful, delicious cream pies. And everybody wanted them. So everybody wants the cookies. Maybe not everybody. I can't speak for everybody. But nobody said no. So I was going to start cookies, but I'm not feeling it today. So it's probably going to be more towards the end of the week. I'm not by any means very sick. I just feel a scratchy throat. I feel like I'm fighting something, and I plan to win it. Roast beef, shredded lettuce, raw onion, and now I have a tickle. Can you hang on? The cups. He likes just this, and then usually a balsamic vinaigrette or any kind of a vinaigrette, not Italian dressing. He loves Aldi's garlic dressing, so that's what Dave's gonna get, is Aldi's garlic dressing. And wait till you see my dinner after, that I won't be able to taste. So I put a little bit of this vinaigrette right on top, and then I'll close her up. I'm gonna cut this other long one in half to match those two. Now let me see which one. I gotta see who's hanging in where. And that's that. And then, so I said I cut them in 4 because they're huge. Those are 2 large subs. So if you cut them in half, they're more doable. And his lunch is done for 4 days. Or if he chooses to have one for lunch, one for dinner, whatever he chooses. I put that in the fridge. He pops one of these in the air fryer back here. Gets the bread all crispy. Make sure. And there you go. He's got a delicious looking sub, fresh bread, and it costs like $5 to do the whole thing. So get your Walmart fresh bread. Make yourself a sub. There's 4 of them, and that goes right in the fridge. That's how Lori rolls. Excuse my look, my sound, my tickles. And I'll be back with dinner and a different apron. I love you guys.